everyone. Thought I'd say hello. Had a good weekend. Back to the daily grind of doing MOTs. Half a day granted, and then the next half of the day I go delivering parts. A company called CPA, Car Parts Accessories. I really like that job. Mainly the reason is in the morning doing MOTs, you're either somebody's best friend or they completely hate you because you've failed their car or their van. It does get a bit annoying when they just completely blame you all the time, and you have to be quite thick-skinned about it. I didn't wear their brake pads out, I didn't put the chip in the screen, etc, etc. But they always blame you that you have failed their car, or van, or whatever. So, yeah, that grinds you down. With everything else going on in your life, sometimes it's all you need on a Monday morning. So, in the afternoon, you go and deliver parts. There's your bits. Bye. See you later. Next one. Especially when you hand someone a Vauxhall Bavaro starter motor. Yeah. Not a nice job. But hey ho. So you do actually look forward to the weekend. Getting out in your camper van, spending time with your kids, your missus. I think I've neglected them a little bit. Probably neglected them quite a lot, to be fair. I do value my own time, and building camper vans is my escape, I suppose. I do like going out on my bikes. Got a couple of motorbikes, go out with my mates, go abroad once a year on a 10, 12, 14-day holiday, and yeah, I really enjoy that. So I look forward to that. But then I do go away holiday to Wales with the kids and the wife, and I love that time. I think as you get older, you get less tolerant. You get less tolerant of people wasting your time. Time's a valuable thing. Once it's spent, you can't get it back. So I think I'm going to start spending my time very wisely. It's taken me nearly 48 years to sort of come to that realisation. But yeah, I don't think there's a Haynes manual how to be the perfect father, perfect husband, perfect anybody. I think it's like accidentally cutting someone up at a roundabout. Oops, sorry. So yeah, take some funny turns in your life. Some of them work out okay, some of them don't. We're like speeding. We all do it. We get a little bit peed off when we get caught. Peed off because you got caught. You don't ever worry about the times you haven't been caught. But it's like everything in life. And you look around and you think, that's a nice car. I could do with a car like that. Do you really need it? Not really. I think to me, life is like the Argos catalogue. You open it up. Oh yeah, I could do with one of them. I could do with the latest, greatest coffee maker. What's the point? £3 Tesco's kettle does exactly the same thing. But you have to have a Dollis and Cabana, whatever it's called, George Clooney coffee machine. Never met George Clooney, never probably likely to. So, yeah, Tesco's value coffee maker, kettle, that'd do me. And I think that's what we all strive. We all want the best. I am probably the world's worst. My missus will tell you. I'm always looking for something better. Never really happy with what I've actually got. So, on reflection, I'm probably one of those people, always looking for the best thing. Not really appreciating what's right in front of me. Sound familiar? Being in the motor trade, all you do is look after other people's cars. You never really look after your own. And I think that's pretty much what you do in life as well. So, I'm going to have a bit of lunch. Probably do a bit more contemplating. Overthinking. I am one of these people that overthink stuff. All the time. 3 o'clock in the morning, my brain, they go, hey, wake up, we've got some thinking to do. No, not right now, I want to sleep. Then you start fidgeting, then you wake the missus up. And then you wake up in the morning, coffee. But, yeah, well, sound familiar? Probably not. Maybe you got it sussed. Maybe I need to learn to suss it out. So yeah, there's my little talky bit. Hope you have a good day. So I'm going to have something to eat. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.